This model kit review is of the 2014 Corvette Stingray Convertible. This is the C7 version, and this is Maisto model, 1/24 scale, and it is a hard metal body. It's one of those simple kits, easy to put together. Some of the box art there. There's another picture there of the finished model and all the parts that come with it. So let's have a look inside and see what parts we have. So we've got our metal body there. We've got our wheels. We've got, looks like two options there for our wheels, and there we go. So let's have a look here at our body. It's got decals already on. There's the Corvette logo. Lights are already in. It comes pre-painted. It's actually very nicely painted. These metal doors open and close. They're already mounted, and there's our tail lights, also already mounted, and there's the Corvette logo and name. It's quite a heavy body. Here's our chassis, and comes with our axles already in, and we'll just need to remove those. Then we've got some wheels. We've got black wheels and some silver wheels, so two different options. And these are the front, those are the back. They're wider. Here's our cockpit with central console in already. We've got a bag of parts here. And here is our rear trunk. That's actually made out of plastic, but that's painted the same way as the metal. We've got our back bumper, and we've got our little engine bay. And over here we have all of our other parts. Okay, so here is our dashboard with pedal box already attached. We've got our tires. These are made out of flexible vinyl. You can see here the back tires are wider. We've got a whole bunch of screws there, and here are our side mirrors. We've got the doors. These are the insides of the doors. Got the 4 exhausts, and then looks like our grille, and then we've got stickers. This is for license plates, and also for our instrument panel there. Here is our windshield. And we've got some seats, and we have got our steering wheel. So let's have a look at our instructions. And simple, fairly easy to put together. And let's see, normally they'll give you, so there's our rear view mirror. Normally they'll give you some chrome that seems to be missing, but no, maybe this is it here. There it is, there's the chrome. So we've got the engine bay being put together with our front grille, then we've got our rear and our glass going on. It all looks like it's screwed in. We've got our dashboard, side mirrors, door insides, cockpit being put together. We've got our wheels and tires being mounted onto the chassis. Then our dashboard, cockpit all mounted onto our chassis and then onto the body. Put on your back bumper and exhaust, and it's all screwed together. So quick, simple, easy model, fun to build.